I had to do it.
Oh Lord, Jason, wait enough.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Rolando here. I hope you guys are doing well and staying as safe as you can. It come like the COVID thing here is not done yet, which it's too much. But yeah, I've been meaning to drop this video for a while now, but I just was doing more research so I can have some value for this video. So as you can tell by the title, we're gonna talk a little bit about branding your business. And what is branding? Branding is the marketing practice of creating a name, symbol, or design that identifies and differentiates a product from other products. So that was a definition I understand. So when it comes to branding, I feel like it's very important and it's a very crucial part of your business because it's kind of like the brand voice and what the customer sees on the outside without knowing everything that happens internally. So we're gonna touch a little base in branding. I'm gonna give you guys some tips and some tricks. I'm fairly new with my business. I've been doing hair for a while, but I launched the website, the business as a whole, in October 2020. So yeah, I've learned a bit over the past. I'm not perfect and I don't know everything, but I know a few things, and if I'm able to share that with you guys, then that's a win for me. Because I remember when I was thinking about my business, I go on YouTube and there were other people that was giving advices when it comes to business, so I kind of want to share that knowledge with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's hop right into it. Okay, so the main thing for me when it comes to your branding your business is the aesthetic. So the aesthetic could be fonts. So with fonts, I would say you can pick three different fonts that you would use throughout your content when you're posting either on social media or wherever when you're making your posters. So I'm gonna go through my Instagram. And kind of show you guys the different fonts that I use on my posts, and you'll see that it's the main ones that I use. So I'm gonna show you on my phone, so let's take a look. Okay, so when you're on there, when you go through the sites, you'll mainly see fonts like this one. It's used here as well. This is another one that I use from time to time. Not very often I use this one, but it's a once in a while thing. But my main one is, you can see it's the same one here. And then with cursives, I use this one. I don't know, when I go through the different fonts, this one kind of stood out to me and I really liked it. So even on my products, it's the same cursive font that's on my products. So the same thing that you see on my social media is the same thing that you'll see on my products. See? Same font throughout. So those two are my main ones that I use on the website. Not on the website, on my Instagram. So I would say this one would be my third one, which is I use once in a while, but I'll eventually find a permanent third font that I use, but we'll take it a step at a time. So fonts, it's very important. It kind of makes your content more uniform and cohesive and not all over the place. So that's a good thing. Also, another thing under branding is having a good tagline for your business. I'm still working on my tagline, but for now I have let's get into some hair, because I feel like that's something I've always been saying in my head, like let's get into some hair, because it's a hair business, but I know I need to find something that's much better, which I still am working on. But that's it for now. So I'd say find you guys a good tagline for your business that will kind of stay on top of people's minds. Another big thing would be brand colors. So you need to find a color or colors that is your brand. So for example, we're gonna go back into my Instagram and we're gonna take a look at the colors that I use for my branding. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of blacks, whites, and reds throughout my Instagram feed. When I initially made my logo back in 2019, I didn't thought about brand colors. I just knew that I want my logo to be black, white, and red, and it was someone on Fiverr that created it for me. And after a while, when I started researching more about branding, and I came across like having brand colors, I had to reach out to that person, even though it's been months since they made that logo. I had to reach out to them, ask them what the color code is. The color code is very important. So when she sent that to me, I started using more of my color throughout my page. I could use black, I could use white, but the red was always off because it wasn't the exact red that I used for my thing. So let's go back to this. Yeah, so you see a lot of black, the red, white. Even on my kits, same colors. On my products, they're the same colors. Yeah, I try to incorporate that as much into my designs, so everything is very uniform, same colors. So having brand colors, it kind of sets you apart from everyone else, because you don't want to go on your page and see every color of the rainbow. Let's be real. I don't want to go on a page and see red, yellow, purple, blue, just a mess. I don't want to see that. So yeah, just find your brand colors, find colors that kind of work well together. You don't want to have purple, then you pick a brown. That doesn't make sense. So pick colors that work well together, and I feel like that will be amazing for you and your business. Another thing is kind of like the overall feel of the brand. Like, how do you want your target audience to feel when they come on your page or go on the website? You have to think about that overall feel. And with my page, I'm a guy, obviously, so I'm not gonna do girly stuff on my Instagram, which I can if I want to, but that's not raw. And if I were to do that, that's kind of cheating myself and my brand. So I kind of stick to myself and kind of give it that raw hair feel. So you just need to sit back and kind of figure that out for your business, how you want your customers to react or feel whenever they land on your Instagram page, Facebook page, website, whatever page for your brand. So that's something to think about as well. And another thing is also the name of the brand. That the name of the brand plays a big role as well. You don't want something that blends in with the background. You want something that's going to stand out, because to be honest, I would see someone have an Instagram name for their business, and if you were to search that name in the search field, you'll see 10, 15, 20 businesses with the same Instagram name, and it's kind of like, why would you want that for yourself? You need to find something that will make you stand out. If you see a name that you like and that's what you like, then I can't tell you no. It's all up to you, but don't be mad. Don't be mad if you just blend in with everyone else. With mine is Raw Hair by Raw. That's my Instagram and my website name, but the overall brand itself is Raw Hair, and Raw Hair is the trademark. And it's a very unique name. I've never really heard of Raw Hair before. and I've had that name in my mind for the past 4 years now. So yeah, just find a good name that kind of fits your brand, makes it stand out from the rest. And for one of the points that I mentioned, the fonts, the brand colors, stuff like that, for content, you can always download Canva. It's a very great app. They do have a free version that you can use for your Instagram stories. Basically any flyer that you're trying to make, you can make it there. And if you kind of want to advance more on Canva, you can always get their pro version, which gives you access to a lot of features. I use it myself and it's great, so you can try that out. So that's pretty much basically everything that I have. Yeah, I would suggest taking advantage of YouTube's tools and the new features that they come out with. Reels are a big thing that's going on right now. It's similar to TikTok, and Reels gives you a lot of exposure on Instagram. Like, you may post a video and it gets not even 100 views, then you post it in a reel and it surpasses that. So that's a great tool that you can utilize right now because it's trending. And you can add your favorite music to the videos. Yeah, kind of spice up your page a little bit, you don't know. And also another thing that you need to take advantage of is when you add a shop to your Instagram. So I have my shop here, and then with the shop, it's like when the products are synced, you can, if you want to share a story, you can go on this and you can go here and add a product. Then you search for the product. Then you can change the color and you can tag it. So when someone goes on your story and they're like, oh, I want to see this product, they can just tap that link and it will bring them to the product so they can read more. And if they want to purchase it, they can purchase it there. So that's good for sales as well. And also, even when you post something on Instagram, like a regular post, you can tag products as well. So when someone taps on that photo, when they tap on that photo, the product info would pop up, and when you click on that, it will bring you to show you more information about the product, and you can purchase if you want to. So that's an amazing feature to kind of use as well. It will help you through your business also. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed those tips and tricks that I provided. When I learn more, which I will definitely make a part 2 to this video. So take your notes down, make sure you write it down, apply these to your business. You can't really follow me if I can only provide my advice and tips, but it's up to you if you want to take them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That's how we grow. And yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Take care and be safe.